Hi, I'm Linda Allen from Linda Allen Designs, and I currently live in Las Vegas, originally from LA. And I was very inspired by creating this Technicolor grotto from romancing this whole Polynesian setting here. What has been so inspirational is that I actually love the islands. And I loved actually putting together all of the elements that create the feeling on how you would feel in a remote private island. So the thatch, the hula girls, you know, it's indigenous with tiki tiles, which is this wood pattern that actually waterfalls from the top wainscot on down to the flooring, and using black as the accent to create drama. So it was really fun. I used post-war Tropicalia, Polynesian, beautiful art pieces by the owner, and it is such a wonderful treat in here, and it blends beautifully because it's all about how you feel in a space. The fixtures by PIRCH are amazing in that they create this feeling as though you're in an island and you're swimming in a pool and the waterfall is actually streaming down in the basin while you're washing your hands. So this has just been a wonderful, wonderful story and experience for me to share with the owner and with Desert Oasis.